Do you try to clean your glasses but often find that there are still these annoying smudges on them? Before you clean your glasses again, watch this video where I'm going to share my top 3 tips to clean those glasses crystal clear every time coming up. Hey guys, it's Dr. Aaron Smith, practicing optometrist in the state of Utah with the Stone Canyon Eye Show, and in this channel we go over the best tips and products to keep your eyes healthy and looking good. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and ring that bell to be notified when new videos come out so you don't miss any. And watch until the very end of the video where I'm going to give you a bonus tip on how to keep those newly cleaned glasses fog-free when you're wearing a mask. And check out the show notes in the description below for links to any of the products that I discuss in this video if you're interested in purchasing any of those online. So that brings us to tip number 1, and that's to use a special microfiber cloth that is designed for lenses. This is not the type of microfiber cloth that you find in the car detailing section of your local hardware store. This is a microfiber cloth that has even smaller, more soft fibers that's specifically designed for treated lenses like glasses, camera lenses, binoculars, scopes, smart screens, stuff like that. These are safe for surfaces like that and they will not scratch them. So that's tip number 1. Use a specially designed microfiber cloth. If you didn't get one from your eye doctor with your new glasses, that's what we do at our clinic. I have a link in the show notes below where you can go find one of these babies, maybe even in a lens cleaning kit. Tip number 2 is always wet your lenses first before you wipe them. In our clinic, we provide our patients with lens cleaning spray when they buy glasses, and they get free refills on these in our clinic. So they'll come in and get refills, but you always want to spray it with this first before you wipe it with that microfiber cloth, because it just reduces friction even more. Even though you have that microfiber cloth that has extra small fibers that are not coarse, that are soft, you'll reduce friction even more, and you'll reduce the amount of oils on the surface of those lenses even more by using a little bit of special cleaner as well. On the back of those sunglasses or regular glasses, when you take them off, if you've noticed, if your eyebrow touches the back top of those lenses, you'll have a little bit of oil that comes off your brows and off of your skin. And if you just wipe that dry, it's just going to smear it all over front and back, and you'll be frustrated why you can't get that oil off your lenses. Always wet your lenses with a lens cleaning spray before you wipe them. Before I get into tip number 3, my favorite tip, take a second and smash that like button for me if you're getting any sort of use out of this video. Helps me know if I should make more videos like this in the future. And that brings us to tip number 3, and that's to clean your glasses with a little drop of dish soap and warm water. This happens to be my favorite method. I use it literally every day on my clear glasses and in my sunglasses because it is the ultimate way to reduce the chances of scratching your lenses and the best way to remove oil, those smudges that are real stubborn that don't come off the front and back of those lenses when you've tried everything else. So I'll start by turning on the hot water on the faucet to get that water warmed up. Then I'll rinse my lenses under just that water initially. Then I'll take some Dawn dish soap, small drop, and I might drop it on just one of the lenses, and I'll take my fingers, clean hands, clean fingers, and I'll rub the front and back surface of both lenses with that mild sud that came from that Dawn dish soap, and then I'll rinse my lenses again through that warm water, take my glasses and kind of shake off some of those droplets carefully. You don't want to go too crazy with your glasses, right? Because you invested a lot of money in those. And shake off some of those droplets, take your microfiber cloth and then dab off those droplets off the surface of the lens, and then kind of buff away any excess watermarks that were left on those lenses. Quality eyeglasses that you bought from your optometrist, from your local eye care provider, are going to be made of components like stainless steel hinges and things that aren't going to oxidize when you rinse them underwater. I can't say the same for eyeglasses purchased online, but I do know that they are made with less quality materials. After working in the eye care industry for about 15 years now, I've definitely learned the best ways to clean glasses using safe cleaning methods that don't scratch those lenses. And let's be honest, if you've ever worn glasses before or even had sunglasses, you know you're guilty of breathing on the lenses and using your shirt tail to kind of wipe the front and back of those lenses at the same time. You've done that before, right? I definitely have, and you've wondered 6 months later why those lenses are all scratched up, right? Okay, question of the day, are you guilty of using the HB and ST, that stands for hot breath and shirt tail approach, to clean your lenses with? You know I'm guilty of it. I already let you know I was. Let me know in the comments below if you are too. Okay, I promised you a bonus tip on how to keep your newly cleaned lenses fog-free when you're wearing a mask. This is for you who are working in healthcare and working in other environments where you're at risk and you're required to wear a mask. You're going to use a product called a fog stopper. You have to use this after you clean your lenses. So after the lenses are clean and totally dry, you'll drip a couple drops on the front and back of the lenses, rub it around so it's coating the entire lens, let it dry for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then using a clean, dry microfiber cloth, and it has to be clean, you'll then wipe the lens dry using this product. And I know I told you earlier to always wet your lenses, but with this particular product you are safe wiping this product off dry. And once you wipe it off, you'll put your glasses on, you'll be able to put your mask on and breathe, and it doesn't fog up your lenses. You can also use this for swimming goggles and different things, so that's the secret fog stopper. And if you're on the go and you like to travel, there's a great way to keep your sunglasses clean or your clear glasses clean when you're on the go and you don't have access to a faucet and Dawn dish soap. And that's to buy a box of pre-moistened lens wipes. When you open this box up, it looks like you're opening up a box of those alcohol prep pads. But basically these little envelopes, you open them up and you unfold a little cloth that's moistened with special lens cleaner, very soft little cloth that you can wipe your lenses front and back with, which is also disposable. I have a link in the description below if you want to purchase a box of these. They're a low-cost way to keep your lenses clean on the go. Hey, what's up, girl? Quick side note, I'm a doctor that treats a ton of people with dry eye disease. If you suffer from dry eyes, check out the link below for my free ebook, Dry Eyes to Wet Eyes, where I go over a bunch of different ways to manage your dry eyes at home. I'm Dr. Aaron Smith with the Stone Canyon Eye Show. If you have any questions about anything that we covered, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.